In this video, we will give you an overview of your decoder's web interface. When logged into the decoder for the first time, you will be shown a grid of 16 empty tiles. This is the camera page, where we will add the cameras. Please note that this grid does not indicate the layout shown on the monitor. We will go over that in a separate video. To add a camera, click on any of the empty tiles and select either Add by Discovery or Add manually. We will go over both methods in this video. For the Discovery method, enter the credentials for the camera you want to add, then click Scan. Once the scan is finished, a list of devices will be displayed. There will be 3 status descriptions depending on the credentials entered for the camera: OK, Failed, and Added. OK indicates that the camera has the correct credentials and it can be added to the decoder. Failed indicates that the camera has the wrong credentials and cannot be added to the decoder. If this happens, click the user icon in the action column to re-enter credentials for a specific device, or click the user password button at the bottom to enter a new credential and begin a new scan. Added indicates that the camera has been added to the decoder. A toggle at the bottom of the page hides added cameras from this list. Select a camera with an OK status, then click the plus icon to add that camera. A modal should appear with a video preview of the selected camera. Next, set the main and substream resolutions and assign a unique name to the camera if desired. If the camera is set to a corridor mode, a panoramic or fisheye camera, or a non-16:9 aspect ratio, you will want to click the Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox. This will prevent the camera image from becoming stretched and distorted when displayed on an HDMI monitor. Depending on the layout, black bars may be added above or below the video. After verifying that the settings are correct, click the Add Video button. Repeat these steps to add any additional cameras. Return to the main camera page to see an image preview of the added cameras. Clicking on a camera will give you an updated image preview. For the second method, we'll be adding the cameras manually. Click on an empty tile, then select Add Manually. Assign a name for the camera, then enter the IP address and the RTSP port number for the camera. Now add the login credentials. Enter the RTSP stream information into the main and substream fields. This will not be the entire RTSP address, just the segment of the RTSP URL that comes after the port number. After verifying that the settings are correct, click the Add Video button. Thank you for watching. For questions or further help, contact our support team or visit support.clintonelectronics.com for more tutorials and articles.